Hello everyone. Class 12th, topic name bond enthalpy and dipole moment of CX bond. In a previous video, we have understood that what is the nature of CX bond, and we found that CX bonds are polar in nature in haloalkanes. So in this topic, we are going to find bond enthalpy dipole moment of CX bond. Now first we need to understand meaning of bond enthalpy. Suppose we have a covalent bond between two atoms A and B. Now, obviously, to break this bond, we have to supply some heat energy, due to which the bond will break. Now, the heat energy which we are supplying to break a bond, this is known as bond dissociation energy, or we can call it bond enthalpy. Bond dissociation energy or bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy per mole. Bond enthalpy per mole means for 1 mole of the given bond, the energy required to break it, that is known as bond enthalpy. Now, what is dipole moment? Dipole moment is a quantity to measure polarity in the molecule. The formula of dipole moment is charge of an atom multiplied by distance between atoms. For example, A and B. Suppose due to electronegativity difference, we have a B partial negative and A is partial positive. So these charge values we can put in the formula. Any charge you can take, positive or negative. And distance between the center of their nuclei, distance between atoms. So that will be given in numerical problem. So we can put these values over here and we can find out dipole moment. Means dipole moment depends on two quantity. Charge on an atom and charge, how much charge will be there, it depends on electronegativity difference. More is the electronegativity difference, more will be the charges. And distance depends on size of atom. Small size atoms will have small distance between each other. Bigger atoms will have large distance between each other. So dipole moment is the combination of charge of an atom and distance between atoms. Now in haloalkane we have a CX bond, and CX bond can be of 4 type because we know X are of 4 type: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So first I am going to check bond enthalpy order. In CX, CF, CCl, CBr, CI. Now you can check the CF distance I made shorter and CI distance I made longer. Reason, the atomic size of halogens increase from fluorine to iodine. Now if atomic size will increase, the bond length will also increase. Now as we know, small covalent bonds are stronger and bigger covalent bonds are weaker. Means from fluorine to iodine, CX bond is getting weaker. Top to bottom, the bond is getting weaker. So obviously, we need large bond enthalpy to break this bond and less bond enthalpy to break this bond. Means if we are writing bond enthalpy order of these 4 CX bonds, so in increasing order, the bond enthalpy order will be this. Fluorine case will have highest bond enthalpy and iodine case will have least bond enthalpy, because to break this bond we require less energy. To break this bond we require more energy as compared to I. To break this bond we require more energy as compared to Br. And to break this bond we require highest amount of energy, because this bond is shorter and that's why the bond is strongest among all. Now, what is the trend of dipole moment, that we will understand in next video. Thank you very much. This is all in this video we have.